What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there scamming people, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So we back dropping gems. We back with the information, how you can get rich, how you can get paid, how you can get this quick, fast, easy money, all right? So today's video, we're going to talk about the $50,000 Bank of America play. All right, this method will work for anybody. As long as you follow these steps, as long as you do what do what I tell you to do, you will have no problem getting this $50,000 loan from Bank of America. All right, so a lot of people want to know about these loans and credit cards and lines of credit that you can get with a new LLC and an EIN number, right? So today I'm gonna tell you how you can get $50,000 with a new EIN number and a new LLC. All right, easy peasy, peanut butter cup. All you gotta do is follow these instructions. 30 days, 45 days tops. All right, so everybody want these loans. Everybody want a way to get some quick, fast money. Everybody want, grants, loans, things like tax credits and things like that. The free money, right? So if you want to get you $50,000 from Bank of America with just the LLC EIN number, follow these instructions. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go open up a Bank of America bank account, all right? Personal checking and savings. Once you open up that personal checking and savings, go deposit $100 into your checking, $100 into your savings. All right. So now you got your account going. Once you do that, if you don't have an LLC, you want to go start your LLC and get your EIN number. EIN numbers are free as long as you got your LLC. All right. So once you got your LLC, your EIN number, now what you want to do is you want to go get you an Experian account. All right, because this is going to play a major factor of you getting this $50,000, because like we all know, you do not have to have $50,000 to get a $50,000 loan, but long as you can show the lender or the bank that you're able to pay back that amount of money, they're going to give it to you, right? So you're going to need to go get you an Experian account, because the Experian account will show you all three of your FICOs, what your three FICOs are, right? It's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. All right, so once you got your Experian account for $25 a month, you now know your three FICOs, and you also know your debt. Now, the debt is the number one factor that plays into you getting loans and credit cards and cars and things like that, because whatever the debt is on your credit report, however, if you're paying it back exceptional or delinquent on the payments, determines everything. So if you have a high debt and you're paying it back at an exceptional rate, you're going to have a good credit score. But if you have a high debt and you're delinquent on payments, you're not making payments, you're going to have a bad credit score. And for people who don't even have anything on their credit, you're going to have a bad credit score, because you have to build your credit. You don't automatically start with good credit. No, you have to build your credit. You got to do things in life to show these credit bureaus, to show these companies that you put yourself in positions to handle money, and you show good, exceptional payment history on everything that you had, right? But they came up with these things called trade lines. You got trade lines, you got authorized users, AUs. These will help you piggyback and jumpstart your credit without you having to go get $60,000 in student loans and auto loans and mortgage loans and payday loans and all these different trade lines, primary trade lines in your name. You don't have to do that. You can mix and match it. All right. So what you want to do is you're supposed to have at least five credit cards on your credit card account, and the debt on your credit doesn't matter as long as you're paying back everything on time. All right. So what you want to do is if you are somebody who doesn't have any debt, you're going to automatically just start adding trade lines to your credit report, all right? So you're going to go add you some trade lines from creditstrong.com. There's multiple different trade line websites that I gave you guys that you can add trade lines. You can add your bills to your trade lines. You can add your rent to your trade lines. You can add a lot of different things to your trade lines. Once you add those trade lines, creditstrong.com has off to $42,500 worth of trade lines that you can get. Let's say you just get that trade line. Then you're going to go to Trade Line Supply and get your credit cards. You can get up to 5 credit cards. You need at least 5 credit cards on your credit report, your personal credit. You can get you 5 credit cards for $30,000 each. That's $150,000 to report on your credit profile. So now it's reporting on your credit profile that you have over a 6-figure balance in credit cards that you're paying back exceptional every month. Plus, you got the $42,500 that you have a report from creditstrong.com that shows you that you're paying back this $42,500 on time each month. So, once you got the $42,500, once you got the 3 credit cards for $150, you almost at $200,000 worth of debt that you're being reported on your credit report at exceptional payment history, because every month that you pay on these trade lines is being auto paid out your account, so you won't miss a payment, which will allow you to have exceptional payment history. All right, so boom, once you got exceptional payment history, once you got everything going, now you need to start paying attention to what your credit is, because it's going to jump within 30 days, 30 to 45 days. And at 30 to 45 days, in the meantime, you want to start depositing money into your bank account, your personal checking and savings. And at the same time, you want to go open up a business. After you got your LLC and your EIN number, you want to go open up a business bank account with BOA, a checking and savings. Now that you got that EIN number, because you need an EIN number in order to open up a business check account, bank account, right? So now you got the personal, now you got the business, now you got money in both of them, now you've been making deposits in each. So once it's been 30 to 45 days, you are going to go to the bank, go to the loan officer and say, hey, I need me a 50,000 dollar loan for my business. What they're going to do is they're going to do a soft pull on your credit report. They're going to go check and see what is your debt on your credit report. How much are you delinquent on anything? Are you exceptional payment or anything? And that would determine how much money you get. So if you got almost $200,000 on your credit being reported, you will have no problems getting a $50,000 loan with your LLC and EIN number that fast. It's not hard to do. Just follow those steps. The Experian account will allow you to track all the trade lines and see the debt that you have. The trade lines will allow you to boost your credit and add debt, the good debt, to your credit report, so that these lenders can see the debt that you have and you're paying it back on time, and you'll be able to get a bag. And let me tell you this: it doesn't just work for one bank. You can go open up 5 bank accounts, business bank accounts, and get you $50,000 from all 5 and come up with a bag. That's $250,000 that you can get in loans that fast just by following these steps that I just gave you. Following the instructions, getting you an Experian account, getting those trade lines in there, letting it marinate for 30 to 45 days, depositing money into your personal and to your business account. You don't have to deposit too much, nothing too major. And at the same time, build your business. You want to get you net 30 accounts. You want to get you at least $2,000 to $5,000 in net 30 accounts, so that you can start building your Paydex/PayNet score. That's your business credit score. As long as you have an 80 or better on your business credit score, you are classified as good risk to get loans and credit cards and lines of credit. All right, and how do you do that? Net 30s. The more net 30s you got and you pay them off on time or before the pay when it's due, it will be exceptional payment history for you reported to your business credit score. All right, so follow those steps if you want to get a quick bag with your new LLC, your new EIN number in 30 to 45 days. Bank of America will help you, and other banks will also give you that bag. All you got to do is add those trade lines, add those AUs, let it marinate for 30 to 45 days, and you can get a bag. And you can also apply to different loans, for different business loans from different banks, because majority of these banks are here go off stated income. You apply, you tell them what you make, they go check out your credit score, they see what your debt is, if you're paying it back on time, if you're worthy enough to getting this money, and they'll give it to you, or they're gonna give you what they feel that you're worthy enough of paying back. All right, so follow those steps. 2024, we get in the bag, we running it up, we investing, we becoming more blessed, and we making passive income easy as that. All right, so shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers, new and old, because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going, y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get that new age credit repair handbook that will teach you step by step how to clean, repair, and build your personal credit and your business credit, only for $250. Cash App a Bitcoin payment, and it also comes with the CPN package. All right, so make sure y'all don't miss out on that. You can tap in and DM me on my new age credit repair pages on IG and on Telegram. All right, so all you gotta do is type in New Age Credit Repair and it'll pop up on IG and on Telegram. Also, anybody out there looking to enter the world of making money, financial freedom, you want to start making $1,000 on a weekly basis, a daily basis, so on and so on, by sitting on your hiney, not having to leave the house, just by having an iPhone and the knowledge and the information. Tap in right now to your FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems for $600. You can get the 8 instant cash out methods. You can get the 2 free live cards. You can get the New Age Credit Repair Handbook. You can get the Introduction to the Dark Web. You can get the How to Make Dark Websites. You can get how to make $1,000 a day, a week, all profit, how to make passive income, plus more. You can't go wrong with that information with these gems. So do not miss out. Regular price is $1,200, and we'll be going back to regular price very soon. So limited time only. FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems is $600. Tap in, Cash App a Bitcoin payment. Once your payment ready, send me the screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right, so when 600 is on your Cash App Bitcoin balance, send me that screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we can go from there. If you do not send me the screenshot, let me know your payment ready, you will not get a response, and you will never get a response unless you're showing me your payment ready. Money talks and BS walks. Easy as that, all right? Mentorships, $2,500. You want me to take you under my wing? You want to start making passive income with this YouTube and a whole bunch of things? Tap in. I'm going to show you how to make at least 10 channels, make passive income, outsource videos real cheap, and start making a new hustle and a new way for you to make money without working a 9-to-5 job, right? Also, back in effect, the crypto tour, in-person limited gems. You come to me, it's going to be $4,500, but if I got to come to you, it's going to be $5,500. You also got to pay for my flight and my hotel, all right? $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person, all right? So you come in state to me, $4,500. If I come out of state to you, $5,500. $500 deposit, and the rest of the money will be in person. If I come out of state to you, you also have to pay for my flight and my hotel, all right? In limited gems in person, you will leave by making some money. Point blank, period. Long as you follow instructions, long as you do what I tell you to do, and you play your role, and you do what you need to do, you will start making money easy. Point blank, period. The game is to work smarter, not harder. So if you tired of working a 9-to-5 job, you tired of being broke, and you got an iPhone, and you still ain't made thousands of dollars, tap in right now to either your in-person limited gems or your FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems. Easy as that, all right? Anybody looking to get the 8 instant cash out methods plus the 2 free live cards, tap in. For $320, tap into my Wealth and Riches Telegram or my IG, King Hussle X1M. Got a lot of fake pages out there, so follow the links. $320, Cash App or Bitcoin payment, 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards. Do not miss out on this deal. Deal won't last very long, all right? So make sure you tapping in, make sure you follow instructions, make sure y'all sending me the screenshots when y'all payment ready, and we're gonna get to work. If you do not, you will not get a response, and or you will be blocked, all right? So do not waste my time, don't waste yours. Let's get to this money. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.